It's now time for the RN24. Driven by Dani Sordo. Now there's a reason Dani's driving the RN24. It's set up as a rally car combined with the IONIQ 5N 650 PS powertrain. Watch closely as it moves like a WRC car. The E-handbrake locks the rear wheels with regen brake loops. Oh, he's so close to the wall! But the way it sounds, you would forget it's electric powered. The RN24 is a celebration of N's 10-year success in rally, as well as its new challenge in electric motorsports. It's all about daring to try something new. Two hands up! I've never seen that before!